ஸ்டேஜில் நடந்தது இப்போ ஸ்டீம் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சு ஸ்டீம் ஆக கூப்பிட்றாண்டா
absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this wonderful celebration of intellect, innovation and inspiration on National Mathematics Day.
Organized by the Department of Mathematics, St. Joseph's College of Engineering, in collaboration with the National Council for Science and Technology Communication and the Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, this event truly celebrates the universal language of numbers, logic and ideas.
Today, we come together to embrace the joy of learning through the Stellar Hackathon.
On behalf of St. Joseph's Group of Institutions, I, Marie Cameron from the Department of Computer Science,
And I, Joshita from the Department of Information Technology,
would like to welcome Dr. Batti Seshabhi Rao sir, Principal of St. Joseph's College of Engineering,
Dr. Arivalkan sir, Principal of St. Joseph's Institute of Technology,
and Dr. Valli Nayakam sir, Dean of Student Affairs.
we also extend our cordial salutations to the guest speakers of this program, Dr. P.R. Naresh and Ms. Charanya Balaji.
A warm welcome to all the respected deans, HODs, and faculty members joining us today.
And of course, a heartfelt welcome to the teachers and students from various schools who have graced this occasion.
We welcome you all. Now I request Dr. Valli Nayakam sir, Dean of Student Affairs, to deliver the welcome note.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am honored to stand before you to celebrate the National Mathematics Day in our St. Joseph's College of Engineering. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on the 22nd of December every year. It marks the birth anniversary of one of India's greatest mathematician, Sri Ramanujan, whose contributions continue to inspire us. So we all inspire by to explore the infinite possibilities that mathematics offers. First and foremost, my duty is to welcome all the dignitaries and guests and students. So first and foremost, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to respected Dr. P.A. Naresh, Director of Elementary School Education, Directorate of School Education, Tamil Nadu. Welcome you, sir. Your presence here today underscores the importance of mathematics in the educational framework, and we look forward to your insights, sir. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Principal, Dr. V.S. Rao, Batti Seshabhi Rao. Your guidance and vision have inspired us, instrumental in fostering a culture of. I also welcome our friend, former colleague, and the Principal of St. Joseph's Garden School, Dr. Geeta, who is here today. I welcome you, madam. I would like to welcome the Controller of Examination, St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Dr. S. Annadurai. Also, I am delighted to welcome my friend, my senior, super senior schoolmate, and also Chief Public Relations Officer, Mr. Arbudam sir, who is here today. I welcome you, sir. He is very much supportive in all our endeavors and well-wisher of our institutions. Also, I would like to welcome the coordinator and the head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. G. Meena Devi. Welcome you, madam. And I extend my sincere welcome to all the teachers who are here today to celebrate the National Mathematics Day. Thank you for joining us, all of you. I welcome you all, teachers. And I welcome all the heads of the departments from our college, St. Joseph's College of Engineering and St. Joseph Institute of Technology, and also all the faculties and colleagues of Department of Mathematics. I welcome you all. Thank you all for being part of this celebration. Let us enjoy and thank the authorities of Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology who have selected us for this program to celebrate National Mathematics Day and funding us. So very special thanks to the authorities of National Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words.
Now I humbly request Dr. Batti Sesha Virao sir, Principal of St.Joseph's College of Engineering, to deliver the keynote address.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. P.A. Naresh, Director of School Education, and respected Madam, Ms. Saranya Balaji, Automation Tech Architect, GM, Accenture, Google, Deans, my dear colleagues, respected Principal of St.Joseph Garden School, and the teachers of various schools and students. Good morning. So, mathematics is a part of our life, because life is a rhythm. Life is a series. That series may be, you say, Fibonacci series, or you may say it's a 4-year series or a pattern maybe. This entire world is going with the series and it is a dynamic. When you say dynamic, definitely differentiation is there. Because everything is with respect to something. The with respect to time is a dynamics. So definitely life is a part of mathematics, or mathematics is part of life. So actually, first and foremost, it is our duty, being Indian, it is our duty to remember a great scientist, a mathematician, late Sri Ramanujan. Actually, we are very much proud that he is from our state. He is the person who has moved around us, around this state. So we must be proud. And we are very much thankful to the authorities of Tamil Nadu State Science and Technology authorities who have sponsored this program. So our utmost gratitude to the Government of Tamil Nadu and especially the Director and other members of the Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technical Institution. So I request, I don't want to take much of time. Please, I advise all the students, mathematics is the easiest subject. Those who are strong in mathematics, they will be strong in any subject. Okay? And I am sure that those who are strong in mathematics, they will be strong in sports. They will be strong in their regular activities. So, because it requires some analogy, step by step. Okay? So, definitely all of you, please take interest on mathematics and do well. Best wishes. God bless you.
Inspiring words. It is my distinct honor to introduce our first esteemed chief guest, Dr. P.A. Naresh, a distinguished figure in Tamil Nadu's educational landscape.
Dr. Naresh sir currently serves as the Director of Elementary Education in Chennai, where he has played a pivotal role in shaping the state's foundational education policies.
His contributions include the innovative Kalvi Tolekachi, Tamil Nadu's exclusive educational television channel, which broadcasts daily lessons and has become a lifeline for students during challenging times.
His dedication to improving literacy rates and accessibility to quality education reflects his unwavering commitment to the growth of students across Tamil Nadu.
We are privileged to have him with us today. Please join us in extending a warm welcome to Dr. B. Naresh.
Now I kindly request Dr. Mati Sheshakirao sir to felicitate our chief guest with a memento.
Thank you, sir.
It's a great honor and privilege for me to stand in the midst of veteran scholars like Dr. Sesagiri Rao, the preeminent principal of St.Joseph's College of Engineering, Dr. Mali Nayakan, the Dean, Student Affairs. There are other dean related to industry cooperation. Our co-guest, Madam Saranya, automation and technology architect from Accenture, Madam Head of the Department, Mathematics, Controller of Examinations of this institution, our good friend Mr. Arpudam, a veteran from accountant, students, well-wishers, special invitees. As I said earlier, it is a privilege for me to meet you all at the very beginning of the day. Before I develop further, it is time for me to extend greetings as we are celebrating the National Mathematics Day. As it was rightly pointed out by the principal of the institution, a preeminent mathematician who is already known and will be known for all the days to come. St.Joseph for his contribution in the field. And to know that there are students from different institutions raising themselves to compete in mathematical competitions. I'm equally happy to see some of the students drawn from government schools from this region. My appreciations and congratulations for the management for coming out with this spectacular event in coordination with the National Council for Science and Technology, Communications, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. And it is equally time for every one of us assembled here to appreciate the biggest ever contributions made in this field over the years. Whether they are teachers working in primary schools, upper primary or secondary or senior secondary or colleges of higher education, including a technological institution like St. Joseph's. Our principal was telling mathematics is so simple and mathematics is everything. Mathematics is essential for a good living. Say for example, if somebody is coming as an extraterrestrial and trying to take an airborne view of OMR mode, it is very difficult to recognize. Was it the same OMR? For all practical reasons, there were no OMR in the beginning. And looking at the tall structures and the kind of development that we have come across, and it is all possible because of the mathematics that what we are using today. In the beginning, say for example, if you are drilling so deep into the earth, that I say, several kilometers down into the earth, in a place like Greenland, Iceland, taking a sample the sample will be having some bubbles of carbon dioxide. And that carbon dioxide concentration from the depth of iceberg will tell you how many years that our Earth or the universe is old enough. Somebody would say that we are about 4.3 billion years old. And what is this all billions about? And the sample I was talking about, when I say the carbon dioxide concentration is parts per million ppm. And the sample which was placed at the depth of ice about 8 lakh years was having a concentration of carbon dioxide in 100 or 120 parts per million. Now, using the same resemblance, if you are measuring the carbon dioxide, because we are talking about air pollution and other things, air quality is very severe in a national capital where it is close to 440 parts per million. And what is that parts per million stands for? Without using numbers, without knowing numbers, we all people will be living in caves or we will be living in muds. If at all we come across all these scientific developments, it is all because the kind of felicity with which we are able to make use of the numbers. When somebody say that I am 1.82 meters height, 182 centimeter height, this would be the average height of Latvian women in an African country. Average height. And the average height of Indians should be around 165 centimeters in India. When you go to Western countries, it should be around 170 centimeters. Even that height matters. And when we are talking about mobile phones and all, the statistics of 2020 says that there are 1.7 billion smartphones, right? What does it mean? And of late we are talking about electric cars, since Professor is from mechanical engineering department and many faculties should be associated with that. Now everybody is talking about electric vehicles and they talk about the pros and cons. And if you are looking at in terms of mathematics, somebody would say that electric cars are not so good. And the kind of batteries that you are using, and to charge the battery, what kind of electricity that you are going to use? Are we using hydroelectric electricity, that is what is happening in Canada and US? Or are we using fossil fuels like coal or petrol or any other LPG gases? For all these things and more, the kind of advancements that we have come across, it is this basic mathematics which play its part. And it is good to know that we have also contributed our own. And without appreciating the significance or the importance of numbers, there will be complete chaos. In the beginning there was a bartering system, and bartering system is no longer applicable in a modern civilized world. And when I am talking about civilizations, people would say that ammonia, steel, cement and plastics, these are all core pillars of modern civilizations. And in all these cases, you will find the relevance of mathematics. The kind of cert that we are using, and I cannot have a uniform cert for all the peoples, and it should be measured. And whatever little things that we are trying to use, it involves measurement. And measurements without specific units, it will lead to a lot of chaos. Say for example, if I am trying to reach this place, if I am looking at GPS, where the number coordinates play a very important role. And this is not going to be so easy in a modern time, in a completely much grown city like ours. plays so important role. And behind all these things, we will find relevance for mathematics. And when I'm talking about cities, we are not just talking about small cities, and Chennai is one of the mega cities in the world. But if you are traveling to Tokyo, it is about 44 million population, the biggest ever cities that mankind can always think about it. And to manage the affairs of all these peoples, to provide communications, to provide transportations, numbers matter a lot. So to understand and appreciate and also to celebrate the contributions of maths in our everyday life, it is fitting that we are celebrating a day like Mathematics Day, a National Mathematics Day, in honor of a singular contributions made by ever like the Srinivasa Ramanujan. So with these words, without taking much time, because we are having series of competitions for the whole day and tomorrow. My congratulations to all the students, all the teachers, all the institutions who prepared you and deputed me to take part in these competitions. And similarly, I should also appreciate the genuine effort made by the Dean Student Affairs in organizing this event in collaboration with the Government of India and Government of Tamil Nadu institutions in making this event a grand success. Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words.
Now I request Dr. Vati Seshagiri Rao sir to felicitate Ms. Charanya Balaji ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
It is my privilege to introduce our second esteemed chief guest, Ms. Charanya Balaji, an inspiring leader in the tech world.
Currently serving as the tech automation architect at Essentia, Ms. Charanya specializes in Google projects and has been a trailblazer in automation and digital transformation.
Her journey exemplifies the power of determination and continuous learning. She has driven impactful solutions, mentored teams, and inspired many to achieve excellence.
Today, we are fortunate to have her with us to share her insights and experiences. Please join us in extending a warm welcome to Ms. Charanya Balaji.
Good morning all. Good morning students, good morning. I'm greatly privileged like you to be sharing my dais with Mr. P.A. Naresh sir and Principal Vati sir and Dean of St. Joseph Engineering College and great teachers who are the guiding pillars of these students. So to introduce myself, I'm into software. So when I talk about software, everything, you know what is a word called interpretation? When you try to key something, input something in the computer, it actually we are trying to give in English words. It actually takes up into zeros and ones. So basically you need numbers to play around even in software or any kind of technology. So as sir was telling like we need technology, we need numbers, we need mathematics for every sectors of field. Like it can be semiconductors, electrical, mechanical, whatever it is. The base is interpretation. How do we understand the data? So basically I work for Accenture at Google, but basically I also had a background like I was also a student like you guys. I had worked, I was also feeling thrilled and also I didn't like my mathematics. So it's a combination. But I'm just surprised to see kids like you doing models on mathematics because generally we do in science, we do in technology, we do just different. Doing some mathematical models is what I'm excited to see what kind of models you have done. I have visited Vishweshwara Museum in Bangalore and Birla Planetarium. I see every space, every astronaut inventions, whatever they have done, the base is maths. We may like or we may not like, but we need mathematical information to calculate any kind of progressiveness or discoveries or inventions. So when I'm talking about my field, data science or Google, like whatever it is, you know, they say there is a word called analytics. Do you know what is data science? The major word is actually data information. So the most of the information in data is numerical. Okay, so when you are finding a survey, so how many of you take a movie review and watch, like your parents or do you take the movie review? So there is a rating 3.4 or whatever it is, that is numbers. So that is based on the analytics. So data science has the base of machine learning, and you have algorithms. All these algorithms have the numerical concepts of, for example, there are different types of libraries in Python. So if you have just, how many of you like coding here? Major of them? Okay, so how many of you like science, medical? So even in medical research science, now in Russia they have told that they have invented medicine for cancer. Do you think what was the base for that? AI? It's very difficult. Data science and artificial intelligence was the base for the invention of this medicine. Nowadays you cannot do anything without artificial intelligence or data science. But do you think it's just the algorithm, words or some concepts? No, it has the base of mathematical calculation. You know that Google uses, for Google search results, they use Python. And in the Python, the biggest, important library they use is NumPy. Okay? And similarly, Netflix. How many of you watch Netflix? More than who likes science and who likes mathematics, right? So, when you watch a series, immediately it suggests like, do you like another series similar to that? That kind of conceptualize, making you to keep watching again and again repetitively. It is done through some mathematical calculations of your mind. It is like data science is watching you. What do you like and what do you... So it's on data. So data is not just X and Y, it is numbers. Okay? And then now coming to whatever NASA, ISRO, they are using scientific calculations. Everything is mathematical. It can be sine theta, cos theta, units, kg, weight, whatever it is. I'm telling you, everything has a base. So I'm just surprised to see what kind of models you have done, and I'm thrilled to go through each of the models and just I'm getting inspired more than you guys. So thank you for this wonderful initiative and team who have taken this. And again, I'm privileged to be part of this, and I'm excited to see all your students work. Thank you again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our visionary chairman, Dr. B. Babu Manoran sir, our managing director, Mr. B. Sashi Shekhar sir, and our executive director, Ms. S. Jessie Priya ma'am, for their guidance and support in organizing this program.
A special thanks to our distinguished guest speakers, Dr. P. Naresh and Ms. Saranya Balaji, for their exemplary contributions to this event.
We are grateful to Dr. Vatti Seshagrida sir, Dr. Arivalagan sir, and Dr. Vallinayagam sir, as well as the other esteemed deans and faculty members for their invaluable support. To all the teachers and students present here, thank you for your participation, which added immense value to this gathering.
And last but not the least, a heartfelt thanks to all the student volunteers for their efforts in making this event a great success. Thank you all. And I also thank Dr. Vincent, Tamil Nadu's member secretary. Now, to present a documentary on the mathematics legend Dr. Ramanujam, I kindly extend my welcome to Neither Pillai and Suprajashri.
The universe whispers its secrets to a man who listens to it with the heart of a poet and the mind of a mathematician. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in the town of Erode, Tamil Nadu, and was no ordinary child. Soon after his birth, his family moved to Kumbakonam, a town steeped in culture and education. Here, in the modest surroundings, young Ramanujan's fascination with numbers began to unfold.
ராமானுஜம் அவர்கள் தனது சிறு வயது முதலே கணிதத்தில் அற்புதமான திறமை கொண்டவராக விளங்கினார். 11 வயதிலேயே அவர் முன்னணி திரிகோணமிதி பாடங்களில் நிபுணத்துவம் வாய்ந்தவராக விளங்கினார். மேலும் தன் சொந்த தொடக்க கணித கோட்பாடுகளையும் உருவாக்கினார். ஆனால் இந்த கணிதத்தின் மீது இருந்த அசாத்தியமான ஆர்வம் அவருக்கு சில பலன்களையும் தந்தது.
He struggled with other subjects, leading to repeated academic failures and eventually the loss of his scholarship. But despite these setbacks, Ramanujan remained undeterred, pursuing mathematics with an unrelenting passion.
16வது வயதில் அவரது வாழ்க்கையை மாற்றிய ஒரு மாபெரும் நிகழ்வு நடந்தது. அவர் G.S. Carr என்பவரின் Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics என்ற புத்தகத்தை கண்டறிந்தார். இதில் ஆயிரக்கணக்கான கணித முடிவுகள் விளக்கங்கள் இல்லாமல் வழங்கப்பட்டிருந்தன.
This became his Bible, and he spent years deriving its proofs himself, honing his genius. Yet, financial hardships and the lack of formal education kept him from gaining recognition in India.
ராமானுஜம் அவர்கள் தனது கணித முறைகளை பற்றி உலகில் உள்ள பல கணித மேதைகளுக்கு கடிதங்கள் எழுதினார். அவர்களுள் G.H. ஹார்டி எனும் தனிநபர் ராமானுஜரின் அசாத்தியமான கணித முறைகளை கண்டு அவரை 1914 கேம்பிரிட்ஜுக்கு அழைத்து வந்தார். மேலும் ராமானுஜரை போன்ற ஒரு கணித மேதையை கண்டறிந்ததை எண்ணி G.H. ஹார்டி மிகவும் பெருமிதப்பட்டார்.
Hardy's mentorship was instrumental in shaping Ramanujan's legacy. Their partnership led to groundbreaking discoveries in number theory, infinite series, and mathematical analysis. Ramanujan's contributions included the Ramanujan prime, the partition theory, and the enigmatic mock theta function.
1729 என்ற எண் இது ஹார்டி ராமானுஜன் எண் என்ற பரிசு கொள்ளப்படுகிறது. அவர்களுடைய அறிவார்ந்த ஒத்துழைப்பு இதன் மூலம் பிரதிபலிக்கின்றது. ஹார்டி ஒரு சமயத்தில் கூறியுள்ளார், ராமானுஜன் மிக உயர்ந்த தரமான கணித மேதையாவார். அவருடைய பணிகள் காலத்தை கடந்து நிலை பெறும்.
Ramanujan's remarkable journey inspired the 2015 film The Man Who Knew Infinity, based on Robert Keigel's acclaimed biography. The movie beautifully portrays his struggles, his battles against poverty, his unwavering faith in mathematical intuition, and his deep belief that his ideas were a gift from the divine. It also highlighted the profound friendship between Ramanujan and Hardy, a bond that transcended culture and distance.
ராமானுஜம் அவர்களின் ஆயுட்காலம் மிக குறுகிய நாட்களுக்கு உட்பட்டது. இங்கிலாந்தின் கடுமையான காலநிலை, போர்க்கால தட்டுப்பாடுகள் மற்றும் அவரின் சைவ உணவு முறை இவை அனைத்தும் அவரது உடல்நிலையை பாதித்தது. 1919 அந்த உடல்நிலை பாதிப்புகளோடு தான் இந்தியா திரும்பினார். 1920 ஏப்ரல் 26 வெறும் 32 வயதிலேயே ஸ்ரீனிவாச ராமானுஜன் காலமானார். அவர் மிகவும் குறுகிய காலத்தில் இந்த உலகை விட்டு விலகினாலும் அவரது செயல்கள் இன்னும் பரிசோதிக்கப்படுகின்றன மற்றும் கணித மேதைகளுக்கு புதிய கோட்பாடுகளை தோற்றுவிக்கும் வண்ணம் இருக்கின்றன.
Ramanujan's story is one of extraordinary talent, unwavering determination, and enduring legacy. It reminds us that greatness can emerge from most unlikely places. And Ramanujan didn't just solve equations, he created a legacy that inspires generations to dream beyond their boundaries. In order to celebrate such a great mathematicians, we Indians celebrate National Mathematics Day every year on 22nd December since 2012.
A man who grew up in India, named Srinivasa Ramanujan, and he moved he didn't have any formal education, but somehow he managed to get a book. He got a math textbook, and it didn't cover all math. It just covered a part, but that textbook was enough for him to basically figure out all of modern mathematics that existed at that time and push the field forward.
Different.